Everything you're watching right now was created directly inside Photoshop using AI. Not one feature, not one plugin, but multiple insane AI tools that can automatically separate layers, create new camera angles, swap faces, generate mockups, and even turn a single image into multiple cinematic shots. And the craziest part? Tasks that normally take 30 minutes to 2 hours in Photoshop can now be done in literally one click. So in this video, I'm going to test the new Higgsfield Photoshop plugin and show you whether these AI features actually work or if they're just another overhyped AI tool. So make sure you watch until the end because some of these results honestly surprised me. Now let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using Higgsfield is the fastest growing Gen AI company with one clear mission, to be the most creator-friendly platform in the world. They just launched the Higgsfield Photoshop plugin, bringing some of the world's best AI video and image models directly inside Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Then click on Higgsfield Photoshop plugin. Higgsfield has launched several plugins over the last few weeks. We have different plugins for After Effects, Premiere Pro, Figma, and others. So simply download the Photoshop plugin and install it using this method. I'm using Mac, so extract the plugin and install it. Then open Photoshop and it will ask you to sign in using your Higgsfield account. After that, follow the steps and allow the required permissions. Then go to Photoshop Plugins Higgsfield, and it will launch the Higgsfield plugin. And our plugin is ready. Before showing you the Photoshop plugin, I have a major update. I received a lot of comments from viewers asking how to use Seedance 2.0 unlimited without consuming credits. So Higgsfield is now giving 30 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 usage with the annual plan, which means your generations won't consume your regular credits. And that's not all, you also get access to multiple AI tools with unlimited generation benefits depending on the plan. So if you plan to create a lot of AI content, videos, or images, I recommend checking the annual plan because it gives much better value and lets you use multiple AI tools without worrying about credit limits. Now let's continue and check the Photoshop plugin. So we have 13 AI features inside Photoshop using Higgsfield. We can do a lot of things and save a lot of time. So first, let's generate an image. I drag and upload a reference image, then add my prompt. For the image model, I'm using GPT Image 2. Then select the aspect ratio, resolution, quality, and output. I selected 4 images. Click Generate, and it creates an amazing image. I can simply drag it directly into Photoshop, no need to upload separately, and adjust it wherever I want. Now let's use one of the best features of this plugin, Decompose. Simply drag your image or layers into the plugin and click Generate. Within a few seconds, it separates every layer automatically. Then we can import everything back into Photoshop and adjust any layer anywhere we want. Now we don't need to spend hours decomposing layers and creating designs, which normally takes a lot of time and effort. Using the Higgsfield plugin, you can do it with just a few clicks. Now let's use Mockup Studio. You get hundreds of preset mockups, or you can upload your own. So I select one, then drag or upload the image, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate. Check the result, it's amazing. Using the Higgsfield Photoshop plugin, you can make your workflow faster and more creative without switching tabs and without spending a lot of effort. There's also one of the most amazing features, real-time AI. You can convert your drawing into any style, change the mood, adjust lighting, and add multiple colors with different shades live. You simply draw the image, and it automatically shows the generated result on the other side. It's an easy way to achieve high-quality results. This feature is especially useful for concept artists, designers, content creators, and anyone who wants to quickly visualize ideas and test different directions. Instead of creating multiple versions manually, you can instantly explore different moods and variations and choose the one that looks best. The quality of the final output looks surprisingly professional and makes the whole creative process much faster and more enjoyable. You can also change the style of any image using AI Stylist. Drag or upload the image, select the clothes and shoes, and you can even add a new background and change the character pose. You'll get multiple options. After selecting everything, click Generate. And here is the result. As you can see, Comparing the before and after, it looks like a real image captured at that location, not edited by AI. And all of this can be done directly inside Photoshop using the Higgsfield plugin. The clothing details, lighting, colors, and overall atmosphere blend naturally and make the final result look much more professional. Instead of switching between different tools and doing manual edits, you can generate multiple styled versions in just a few clicks and choose the one that works best. And the best part is, all of this can be done directly inside Photoshop using the Higgsfield plugin, making your workflow much faster and more creative. Higgsfield offers a free plan with some limitations, so I recommend checking the subscription plans if you want to use all features without limitations. And Higgsfield is also giving unlimited Seedance 2.0 access for 30 days, so make sure you don't miss this opportunity. You can also earn free credits through the official Higgsfield Twitter, X, handle. They often run promotions, giveaways, and credit drops for active users. I've already made a short video explaining exactly how you can get these free credits, and you'll find the link in the description below. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.